Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Throne and Liberty disconnected from server on Xbox console. Method 1. Check server status. Using a web browser on mobile or PC to visit game homepage. Next, go to support page. Here, you can view detailed information about the status of the game server. If the server you are playing on is not in a good state, then this is most likely the cause of this problem. And you won't be able to do anything else if the server is in maintenance status. Besides, NCSoft developed a Discord bot for Throne and Liberty that sends updates on server status. You can use the command /servers to show all servers at once or use /subscribe server to select your server that you play on. It will then automatically post when the server is back up or down for maintenance. Method 2. Stay up to date. The Xbox system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your console. So, if the disconnect error is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the Xbox system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 3. Use manual DNS. Navigate to Settings. On the following screen, head to General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Then with the on-screen keyboard, type in the primary and secondary DNS server you want to use. Here, I will use Google DNS. I will type 8.8.8.8 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 8.8.4.4 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Alternatively, you can also try with Cloudflare DNS. Just type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. When you're finished, you'll be brought back to the advanced network screen, where you will see your new DNS servers have been saved. Try play the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 4. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC Address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then launching the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Restarting your Xbox console. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller. Select Turn off console. When the console is completely turned off, unplug the console from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the console back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the console. Try play the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your Xbox console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 7. Try use other network. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the problem is gone. If using other network work for you, then come back connecto to your network and everything should work. Method 8. Factory reset your console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console. Then, Xbox will show you the following 3 options. Option 1. Reset and remove everything. Option 2. Reset and keep my apps and games. And Option 3. Cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the Reset and Keep My Apps and Games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. Method 9. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the problem is gone. Finally, if you have tried all of the above methods and they still don't work, come back at another time. A sudden increase in player count can overload the server, which is common with online games. Give the game development team some time to optimize the game and servers, and you'll have a better experience the next time you log in. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.